Alright, what's going on YouTube? I just want to give you guys a little update. So I finally went around and got a new GPU with stuff. Radeon 5700 XT. And I'm going to see if I can install this bad boy today. It's a pretty nice graphics card. I got it for a good price. Got it for 250 bucks. So I'm excited about that. And then I also bought 5 computers for 180. And I'm in the process of fixing them right now. So this is one of the best ones I got. It's like a year old. It just needs a new SSD, which I ordered already. Let's see if I can sell it. And the other ones, they're pretty old, but they work. If you want like a cheap computer, just let me know. I'll give it to you for like 50, 70 bucks. I actually don't want them, but they work though. Alright, what's going on YouTube? So I'm finally back. It's the same day, and I finally got a power supply. So I looked on OfferUp, eBay, LetGo, and I really couldn't find nothing. And then I found this little computer store, and they had one in stock, so I had to pick it up. I'm gonna go install this power supply. Alright, I'm back YouTube. I just changed the power supply and installed the GPU and everything seems to be working fine. So I'm connected through DisplayPort, so that means the card's working. And it seems to be recognizing the card, and I'm gonna benchmark it right now with a couple games and a user benchmark, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and these are my benchmarks. So I'm a Now Nuclear Submarine, which is pretty cool. And these are my specs. I'm running a Core i7-8700, the new RX 5700 XT that I just installed. Got a pretty cheapo SSD. I need to upgrade to that. And I want another 1TB SSD just to throw files on. And then 16 gigs of RAM, which I'm gonna upgrade to 32 later on. But it's pretty good. Should last me for a while now. Alright, so in Minecraft I'm getting like 600 something frames, but Minecraft's pretty easy to run. Let's go to the next game, which is GTA. And so in GTA I'm hovering over like the 120 frames per second. This is all ultra settings, but GTA is pretty easy to run. Alright, what's up YouTube? It's been like a week since I installed my previous graphics card, and I want to bring you guys an update. So you guys remember I installed this bad boy right here, the 5700 XT. I got it for 350 bucks, which is a pretty solid deal, and this card, it's serving pretty good for the week I had it. But then my buddy told me he was trying to get rid of his 2070, and I bargained him down to 250 bucks, and I just installed this card right now, and I'm benchmarking it as we speak. So this is the final update for a while, because I'm starting school up again, and school takes a lot of my time up, and so does my job, which I work part-time. So this should be the final update for now. Later I might get a newer processor and install another 16 gigabytes of RAM, but that's for the future. And we're currently benchmarking. Let's see when we get our results. But yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, finally ray tracing. So I'm finally gonna have a 2070. Okay, I'm back, and here are the results. This is my build right here. So it's pretty solid. Should be good for now. I need to upgrade this SSD. Just add another 16 gigabytes of RAM, and that should be good. No, but I enjoyed the other card. It was cool, but I wanted ray tracing. So this is the final update for a while. I'll keep you guys informed.